Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your MEIZU M6T. To do this operation we need to turn off our device. After that, when the phone is going to be permanently turned off, just simply press and hold volume up and power button together. Yep, like this. 1 and 2. Keep pressing. Release when you see the logo MEIZU and just wait. That's it. Now tap the option wipe data and click start. Now the data is wiping. Phone gonna be resetting all data from it. This option can be helpful if your soft doesn't work properly. Yep. And that's it. Now phone gonna be start with the new brand firmware on it with the standard option. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.